Lena yingoma yavutsa abaphansi, lena yingoma yakhuphula igazi. Top G ntwana seyiphume ekhoneni, zithola kanjani uhlele ekhoneni. Lena yingoma yavutsa abaphansi, lena yingoma yakhuphula igazi. Top G
Barabara bafethu begina again podcast. Kani ntwana yamfumanje.
Shafela bafethu. Singathanda ukujabula. Namhlanje simbekesini.
Yes, sir. It's the Kid 99.
Kid 99.
The Kid 99.
Kid.
Yeah.
Kid 99.
Bafethu sayiyo le ndawo.
So when are you introduced?
Ujahi.
Kile bafethu.
Nyapapa vele.
Phansi bese yabuya kuzo.
The first lady yakithi bafethu.
K.
Amazing K.
Unamona wena. Hawu.
Okay, asisuse kwa Kid 99. Tshela abantu ungubani?
Oh, I'm a Bulawayo upcoming artist, guys. Shout out to Bulawayo. Ngani
Ekas.
guys.
Okay. Ngibona potential khona.
Like ngifuna ukumuza. Yabo.
Ukumuza.
Yeah, ngifuna ukumuza izinto yakhe. Like I love his song. So ngifuna Zulu. Yabo. So mangithi into yakhe. I don't use that way. Yabo.
On which way?
Ngifuna ukumuza like a rapper. Yabo. Asinike izinto yakhe. Yabo. So
bafethu abangamazi bafethu. Kid 99 is yeah, Kid 99 is an amazing rapper. Yes, Bulawayo.
okay, so Kid 99, you know when they like to choose the hip hop. Hip hop.
Oh, hip hop comes first. Hip hop sends a message. And funny fact about hip hop, you can never find any other genre as hip hop. While you can find piano and English hip hop.
So what inspired you? Who would like to choose this?
My lyrics say hip hop comes first, and hip hop is a great influence.
So when did you discover who would like hip hop? Into yakho.
About a year ago.
A year ago.
Yeah, a year ago. For what you said. What you said.
Why?
No, like Wafa looks in.
Ukufaka bani?
What you said.
Choose well.
Find the link with
Okay, like yes, also me. Ukufaka choose well now.
Surprise and good shit.
I know I'm nice, but it's a great inspiration to me now. Recently, I released a song, Ayak, sending a message to you, and I know he's there, nigga, he's a barrier.
Okay.
You're not answering the question though.
What is
Ukuthi like iklinka kanjani ukuthi wena u decide ukuthi ube rapper ukufaka kwaJiswa ukukwenza ukuthi ube rapper.
all right, when just with Wafa, so
Ibethu
obsessed
uthi
about it.
20%.
Yes.
Can-
So yeah, no, not really. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. So I realized it could okay. Many people like the guy, and he sends a message. So music is therapeutic when it's in here. So I was like, no, I can do this. Let me try, and I found out I can actually do this.
So all those years, even with Jiswa as a Peter, you didn't
Now,
think of being a hip hop artist.
I thought of being a hip hop artist, but Imagine Cham was like, no, this thing is expensive. Okay, I'm going to the studio and South Shabby. So in my mindset, Intolana is like expensive.
So the start with Jiswa Ashon, that's when you decided, I know I can actually
Yeah,
do this
I
thing.
can actually do this. Like, yeah, it was unleashed. The Kid 99 was born.
Okay, like, like I'm still not getting it. You're not getting. No, if you understand, I'm making understand. You understand?
Like,
Are you guys getting it?
look, what is the? What are you not getting? You know what to me. Hayi kanjalo, no, not kanjalo.
Wabuka when I was dying, sex and hip hop.
No. Okay.
Make us understand.
Let me break it down again. Let me break it down. Now ask you how you will understand. Let me break it down. Mina for effect, like if I'm alone or walking somewhere, I'm like freestyles or Baranko Kodere, so I'll just freestyles or. So when the nigga died, I was like, okay, so no more songs of him, no more of whatever.
Oh, so Kobe is like
Yeah.
So actually, you sound like yourself.
Not exact, nah.
But you doing something like what you saw.
Yeah, hopefully. If you check my song, which is titled Me and You, yeah.
Me and You.
YouTube.
Yeah,
Unai. I'm going to slide it.
Manje.
Yeah. Like just Jinjigangan. See. Okay, after intensive. So what do you see yourself in 5 years? Music interest you first, must try it up.
No, before say why inspiration yake good so.
Like America. Good.
Yeah, music channel, people are listening to are sort of like far because I started listening to Michael Jackson, so I was never into piano or lava local and stuff. I started.
But you will want to work nabantu local because umuntu waseAmerica uzakwazi kanjani if ungazake wasebenza nabantu local.
Yeah, I get the point. Because recently I started like vibing with my MT, with my Nasty C, Tony Diamond and the likes.
Maman.
Yes.
Me too.
Nami so. Alright.
Okay, so with the inspiration yako ya states, sound ya states, do you feel like uzokhona ku penetrate market yala?
Nah, it's hard to penetrate using style sakhona ngani.
So uplana ukwenza kanjani?
We hear of the upcoming songs ezilandelayo because recently I'm working on a project sort of like mixed marimba, those kasi thing, hip hop. So
Okay, back to the death day that you saw. Like I'm still worried.
you see,
No,
even the
listen.
t-shirt effect has got you. Yeah,
Listen.
that's what I mean.
Uban,
Cha uthi sengeni la.
sangeni like no, like worried. Why didn't be like why bongas uzange waba inspired by Oliver Mthukutsi? Abanye ama assistant.
2K, no, I'm a 2K, 92K.
Michael Jackson.
But ubando omunye bakhona mina actually Ricky like but ubando
Casper Nyovest.
ukaso yolosta.
Anyaba sikuma wanda ba.
No, officially.
Constantine.
Yes, why not him? Why not Ricky? Just all.
Which is now, it just is an OG. Like, he has a sister.
Ricky also he's
No, yeah,
an
Ricky's, yeah, sir. Patriot.
Who aka
Tupac.
I never liked it. Yeah, Tupac.
no Tupac ude. Sikhuluma nabantu abala eduzane eSouth Africa.
Yeah, Tupac. Yeah.
Zokushaya.
No, yazi ngisho lani. Chuswelti.
Like dog, I'm still trying to be honest. Like
Yeah.
dog, I
Ask you that.
okay, it's okay.
So besa fa me and you.
Yeah, me and you is kind of like he take now
Is it your first song or?
Nah, I think it's my somewhere around 10 or I don't know.
When did you release your first song?
The first song I released it about 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I released it in Mkanweni. There was a studio called Amasiko Records, RSC Value. So that's when I wrote the song. Daisy, if you know Daisy. Daisy. Yeah. My RSC Value.
So studio is several so.
The guy lost interest, I guess. They lost interest of music in that.
Then I'm supportive.
No, like I think he had other agendas with maybe I need to pursue something else because the guy was really good in music.
Okay, so since Amasiko Records have span over these days.
I mean, in West Town, it's a record label, group of guys making music.
What kind of music?
Hip hop based music. Hip hop, yeah. Hip hop. And recently we started working with Opexel and Peacemaker. They are doing piano.
Okay.
Yeah, those are the only two who are doing piano.
Baba who bonke down,
In Ganini.
Ganini.
Yeah. We lack of recognition because when I'm trying to reach Ibulawa Young, cover every Bulawayo set.
Okay, I want us to talk about the White City. Sikhuluma ngokuthi kule show eliyenza White City.
Yeah, I'm planning to do a show, the White City, which is an upcoming show for wonke abantu who are doing music and trying to come up.
Njengathi so.
Yeah.
Kanti ungumthethe sama celebrate. Mina celebrate.
Also me, I'm a celebrity. Guys, please don't forget to follow me. That Fly Han on IG. Yeah, I'm a space in here. Small
The black
letter.
guy at IG.
That flat guy. Oh, we trying to go flat guy when.
Sesukudala ke.
Umboni uyandiza.
Uyandiza ngiyambona.
Semoyeni.
Yazi semoyeni phela ngeke isibhekele. Ngiyakubona.
White City.
What's it?
So tshela abantu abangakwaziyo ukuthi bazithola njani ama-artist afuna ukuba part of i-White City show yabo.
I don't know where I'm an artist. How can I link up with other artists? Because I'm looking for my collaborations, event shows, and the likes. So collaborate kona yonke. And this show is supposed to boost the one local artists. Because I know it may be we show in a day there'll be that one guy was that okay, you people I like your music. Let's do something about that. So yeah.
One guy njengoba. One guy.
I don't even know I'm a local producers. I don't even know local producers because I don't think music industry it's a serious thing. Njengase Harare, siyawazi ama celebrity Harare. Yebo Bulawayo.
Abroke ama-celebrity Harare.
They can be broken but vale recognition.
The only person esingathola imali ungolithini and uyithola from isana.
Uwinkiti.
There's Wingiti, there's
Hayi lawa nama-musicians.
JT.
Ufreeman.
You see, wonke laba
Skilati.
Ngama-musicians.
Kanti.
Sikhuluma ngabo ama-rap.
I'm a musician also.
Duh.
I'm an artist also.
Okay, but like ngeke sacompare lo labo Winkiti.
Wow.
Lapho sesikhulumela nje.
When utshaba ama reason nase.
Awulakula umuntu kulevel lika Winkiti eBulawayo. Musical.
Yeah.
No, you see, Bulawayo is dead in the music industry. There's no one promoting in music industry.
Not even promotion. There's no good music in Bulawayo.
There is. You haven't heard of me. You haven't heard of me. You haven't heard of me.
No. Wena nguzwile. Okay, no, ngiyakuzwa askisi. Ipoint yami khoma laba abakhona manje.
Obani. Kodwa la usebulawa.
Abakhona upcoming. Ngikhuluma laba abakhona ezina esibamabela ku radio.
Basically, I don't think bakhona because I don't think there is. Everybody in Bulawayo is upcoming.
Now you upcoming. Mithi wena mhlawumbe.
Ayangazi nje ngiyashisa nje.
Nami ngiyashisa.
Nasoze ngaba upcoming 2 years.
Like
Cheers is like-
singarelease.
Singarelease
Why is C?
Bethu we together. Nami ngiyakwazi ukuhlabela.
Also kwakho ngwakho.
Yes.
Okwakho
Si
ngwakho.
team.
Kangashi.
Yes.
So Bulawayo they need to step up.
Yeah, they need to step up.
But njoba ngishilo before shooter la ngithi the reason why industry eBulawayo so is yaphuma ukurelease ingoma zini egroupini ye WhatsApp expect ukuthi zizaba recognized.
Basically, all upcoming artists, I don't think they are financial. I don't think they are stable. Who's an upcoming artist who is stable?
No, like
Financial.
I mean I don't know. I'm an artist that's like akusimuntu aseZimbabwe mina.
So what I was saying is like, Garissa can find someone who's like at a higher level than me with music, and I'm like, okay, tell them connect. You be like, okay, it's Kwama Sako's team. So everything always based upon a man.
Yeah, everything is based on money.
Yeah, it's based.
But
upon
when I believe ukuthi sound yakho leyani
Yeah.
uzathola someone ozakuthatha
for sure,
for isound yakho yabo
for sure,
is a rap.
for sure.
Okay.
Yes, baby.
Okay.
I'm sorry, guys.
Kelly.
Sorry.
Man.
Kelly.
Hi.
Oh, I'm not sitting in Musita.
Right, stand some. When you stand some, who pay?
Oh, I'm 02. 01.
Okay, tell us about
No, you didn't answer my question. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? Music industry.
Oh, music industry. I see myself as one of the big fish. Now, maybe when I shut down, I'll be performing there. Somebody who be downloading my music, obsessed about music, like all that guy and stuff, or my old paper and
Like the way
stuff.
I'm obsessed now, on WhatsApp.
Obsessed with who?
Who pay?
Yeah, obsessed with paper.
You're obsessed. As mine, I could gone. Yes, but let's pull up.
Okay, let's go now.
Back to you. Yini na plasha. Send us some now I'm obsessed now. No. Singakhulumi indaba zethu camera sokukhuluma in private. Okay. So life-wise, like we are right now.
Oh, right now, I'm just getting ready to go to varsity.
When?
Probably August.
What are you studying in university?
IT, computer science.
So why do you? Because the IT, from my knowledge, IT, it needs attention. Like immediately focused.
Yeah.
So in music, life yakho so
No, IT life is for the rent. And
you're
then
doing it for your
music is-
parents.
Yeah, I'm doing it for my
They
parents.
chose it for you.
They forced me to do something towards school.
So when I get IT,
Yeah, because media-wise, I'm good. Computer-wise, in sharp. So, yeah.
alright. I won't say much about that because well, if it's not something that you really want to do, it's going to kick you. It's going to fuck you up.
Okay, talking about life. No, babe.
Oh, relationship wise, are you single? Are you taken?
I'm off the market.
No, nah. Mina sithemba samadoda lana like mina niba yithi right. How? Ngiyezwa umuntu omubi. Relationship wise,
I'm off the market.
you off the market.
Yeah, I'm off the market.
You in a relationship
Yes, I'm in a relationship.
with how many people?
One.
Ubani kama
Oh,
like
no, that loyal type.
Yeah, I'm the loyal type, but unfortunately, I trained as soon as I was a celeb, so I have to protect her image.
how though? Banifihla kanje abafeni. Mina ngibayithu ibanga.
Ulamanga.
Bani.
No,
No, so mqambi kama like nesibongo nokuthi uhlala
Uhlala ngaphi?
Okay,
Unjani? Describe her.
I don't even know. I'm not a romantic
Okay, wait.
type.
Before we get there.
Ukuthi lehlanga sokuthi uburomantic.
No,
Listen,
you are romantic because you have to
Listen.
remember my birthdays.
do you
anniversary.
believe in a girlfriend allowance?
I don't believe in girlfriend allowance. I like you. I didn't say I want to employ you. I like you. I was on the savings.
Okay, but siyamqinisa nditheke awu baby. When you stingy vela ngithi ngihlezi ngisesayithi nginathi. When you stingy ngiyawazi vele. Into yakho kuba stingy.
Vele, awubuye ngimzosebenza.
How? Wenza ukuthi ixesha lezi ngisigqokayo noqhina ngibe muhle.
Mina lami ngibe
Netsipho engiyisebenzisayo.
Ashende umusha umshado la. Lahlangana kuthi.
I don't even know. Angazi.
Hayi akekho yi-one. Yabona mangazi? Hayi akekho yi-one. Baningi. There are a lot. Because loyal, umthanda umuntu ne. You know all those things. Mina nothaba like manje sesopusha sesobamba almost 1 year.
You see, the problem with gonna, yeah, you guys, yes, it's honest. But for me, it's different because me, now, my first priority is, I may have a girl, but my first priority is music. That's my girl.
Okay, we understand that, but still. Mthande bra, like give her attention.
No, love
So
is
umntana
love
abantu
is a two-way street.
uthanda.
No, love is a
Tabang.
two-way street. Love is a
Masimba
two-way
Banda.
street. No, love is a two-way street. If I say I love you, you must love me back. I
So she
can't-
doesn't love you, babe.
Yeah, to the level emfuna kuyona, so I'm giving it to the music.
Ufuna babe i-biggest fan yakho, the way mina ngiyi-biggest fan yakho.
Exactly, you get it.
Now it's time to some. Just ukuthi wena ustingy. ngemali yabo. Yeah. Like akho romantic. Uhlezi ufuna
Got you,
ukucabanga
my
nabo.
feeling. Got you. Must drop a look.
Bakudampi bonke amashare akho bazokudampa after this.
After this, I think I'll be somewhere ukuthi ngiyathi ngidlule emgwaqweni bethele, can I have autograph and stuff? You know, like no. Instead of that, fake numbers out.
Njengathi utha.
Sebaplaka.
Njengathi.
Njengathi.
Yeah, njengathi. Yazi nami ngihamba
Tema podcast.
Mabodyguard.
Ayikeli.
nami ngiyidinga i-podcast.
Yeah.
How?
Awungithuki siphethe.
Wena vele ne. But ngiyakuthanda though.
Nami ngiyamthanda.
Okay, so umuntu wakho mamile
Abantu bakho.
uthini?
That's the funny part. She's never commented. This was like,
Ngeke.
Miyeke.
Ngiyakuzwa. Hayi.
Let go.
There you go.
Piece of shit.
Uzomthola abafethu kumarket lo.
Ku-market siyamfaka lapha ngaphandle. Omfunayo ngifonele or follow me on IG and DM me. Ngizokhuluma naye.
Ama number in the bio.
Ama-numbers fake. Kumele siqale sibone phela ukuthi bayafanelana yini. See.
Athi ngosukhethe umuntu.
Yeah.
Matchmaking yakhona soyenza khona la.
Blind dates.
Savumelana.
blind. Yeah, self-familiar for sure.
Yeah, sifuna blind dates.
Yeah, like to you. Wamadast. So tell abantu ukuthi we expecting.
Expect a lot, many singles dropping up. Check me on IG, TikTok, any social platform, SoundCloud. You can download my music, YouTube, etc.
Spanela baba.
Always worked with Rolling, Zwikis, Kid G, Trip, yeah, and the likes.
Okay, so ukuze ushaw around 2 la just uthi wena as soon as drop a local vele uzoshaw ama autograph. So how many views uziphenduke for part 2?
1,000.
What?
1,000 views.
Ingoma yakho ku-YouTube ine 1,000 views.
Yeah, I have which one? I think it's Believe. Believe is attracting many people.
How many views?
I don't even know.
How do you, like you just said yes,
1,000.
it has 1,000
I have
views.
someone
Now
handling
you don't
that for
know.
me. I have someone handling for me.
But you need to follow up with those things.
My process is I have to always drop music, and then I have someone who's like, okay, let me post for you on my socials. My job is just to post, drop songs. I mean,
Alright.
So
Guys, straight up please. But obviously ngoba mina ngikhona ngithi. Definitely gonna hit 1,000.
1,000 views. 1,000 views in.
actually, how many views do you have?
What?
Tina.
Yeah.
Hey. Started plan.
So your
It's
views.
a busy one, you know.
Cala.
So take it like this.
Let's see what we run. Yay, Zanzinetti.
Zasimichi.
Yay,
So 1,000, yeah.
going up. 1,009.
Yeah, so what I mean is my people, maybe I can bring 3 people. Since when I live more than 1,000, which means
3 hours.
yeah, so it's 18.
So 1,003.
You see? Yeah, the numbers add up.
Okay.
So sicela ukuthi uzosinikeza i-studele rap for us. Okay guys, mina
I can't
ngikhatha
think
ngicheck
in
it.
freestyle.
Sicela i-freestyle then uzostudelela after. Qala. Or ingoma, any song, like just give us something.
Okay, if I pray in different languages and say grace, will my name be heard? Will I make it up? Am I fatal being a ritual? I got questions like why, how, and where. Y'all sacrificing each other for money and fame. Why my eyes as the tears flow. Started to see the world, I've been losing hope. But like Simba, I'ma rise in the silence. I know this place ugly, but I'ma live it like my mama proud, man. Like Simba, yeah.
Miss did you guys hear that? Upcoming and fail still student. Yeah, you have something though. Yes, being a team. I thought maybe we'll find. I'm again. Right? Okay. Study silence lab. Still student. Yeah, so too. Shapu, don't forget to follow me on
lena yingoma eyavutsa abaphansi lena yingoma eyakhuphula igazi Dr. Ntwana seyiphume ekhoneni zithola kanjani uhlele khoneni lena yingoma eyavutsa abaphansi lena yingoma eyakhuphula igazi Dr. Ntwana seyiphume ekhoneni zithola kanjani uhlele khoneni hayi uhlele khoneni